Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I color these beautiful curls that I received from Tinashe Hair. So they sent me a 20 inch, a 22 inch, a 24 inch of their Brazilian deep wave curly hair, as well as a 20 inch closure. So I just wanted to be creative and very extra with my hair. And it was highly requested at work that I come with purple hair. If you know me, you know I'm so scared of color. I always like my black hair. So it's like, you know what? Let me go through with this challenge. Let me come to work with purple hair. So I went to the store and bought every type, every shade of purple I could find and mixed and matched them all together. And this is pretty much the final look. Like, it's so funny. So as you can see, the top is like a burgundy purple. And then we have like the bottom that is like purple, like a light bluish purple. What else do we have? Like, there's so many colors going on, and honestly I'm not mad at it at all. Like, I don't know, I actually do like it. Like, it's not crazy, or it's a little bit crazy but not too crazy. Anyways, I'm talking too much, so let me show you guys how I went wild with the colors. I did bleach the hair before I colored it, and as you can tell, it's still very soft and the curls are still popping, so it's definitely hair you should buy. Anyways, so let's get right into this video. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.